What's going on, everyone? It's Tay with Spectacular Gadgets, and in this video I'll be checking out the MarsClimber case by a company called Torras. First of all, shout out to them for sending this case over for me to test out on my brand new Samsung Galaxy S22 Ultra. If you're interested in this case, you can go ahead and purchase it off of Amazon for about $26 at the time of this recording. Let's do this!
Spectacular Gadgets.
This will be the first product from Torras on the channel, so I'm first checking out the cool color shift in the packaging on the front. That seems to be pretty cool, but this company is known for simple but unique smartphone cases. So I want to go ahead and see if that is in fact the truth. Now I'll go ahead and take a little quick tour around the packaging for those of you who are not familiar with the company. But the company does state, worry-free quality products, worldwide happy users, 10 plus years concentration. Down towards the bottom, they let us know what device this is actually for, plus the name of the case, which this is the MarsClimber. The last thing that you get inside the package is this cool card with this bold orange, and it says, "Let's start a wonderful journey." And then you have Torras on the bottom. And I think this is a pretty cool looking card. If you bend it, you see it kind of pops out. But on the back of this, you can go ahead and scan this QR code to activate the lifetime warranty. That's right, a lifetime warranty. Plus, you have ways to contact them via email. Okay, so you guys ready to take a look at this case? And first look, it actually looks like it's a frosted case. But Torras says that this is translucent matte. And they also state that this has 8-foot military shockproof protection, and it looks pretty legit. It curves and it looks that frosted or translucent matte looks nice, so it shouldn't hold fingerprints. You have your cutout, as well as it features a kickstand that has some of their branding on it. Let's stop talking and actually get the device in so we can see how it looks on this sky blue S22 Ultra. Now that the case is on the device, I would like to show you the screen protection that you're going to be getting with this case. Now note that the top and bottom of the case are raised slightly higher than that of the left and right side of the case, obviously because the S22 Ultra has a curved display. Also, I forgot to mention, or maybe you can already tell, that I do happen to have a matte screen protector on the device, and the case did not interfere with my screen protector. Moving on to the right side of the case, what I want you to be aware of is there's not much grip to this case. So as you see, it is rather smooth on this side or on all sides of the case, so just keep that in mind. But you do have covered buttons, so the power button is covered, and as you see, I can click that on and off pretty easily. And if I want to select the up and down volume keys, I can also do that very easily. Moving on to the top of the case, you see it's very clean, just one little cutout for the microphone. Now off to the left side of the case, nothing there, it's just neat, smooth, and clean. If we move on towards the bottom, we see that we have all our cutouts, we have the Type-C port, we have the speaker cutout, and we have the S Pen slot. So it's big enough for me to go ahead and drop the S Pen in and get it out. So cutouts seem pretty decent. The back of the case is very nice. We're going to take a look at the camera protection first. And if I move it to a slight angle, you can see that you're getting pretty decent camera protection. This case to me seems pretty cool because I can still kind of see that sky blue color that I got. And you do have a kickstand that seems pretty sturdy and like it won't just pop off, and it closes nice and soft. This case has a very sophisticated look for sure. You have flat top and bottom, and then on the sides of the case is curved because obviously the device itself is curved, and it just has a sturdy feel as well. I'm going to test wireless charging for you, but I can tell you right now, you're not going to have any issues using this case with wireless charging. The case is still thin enough for wireless charging to go through, and as you see, I don't have any issues. As I mentioned before, the cutouts on this case are pretty decent and large. I'll go ahead and plug in a cable, and as you see, I still have plenty of space for a larger cable, and it fits in perfectly. My conclusion is, being that this is the first time that I'm using a Torras product, I must say that they have some well-made, well-designed cases. They're very sturdy and feel well built. Are you going to be picking one up? Well, that about wraps it up for this video. I want to thank everyone for taking the time to chill with me as we go through this journey. And until next time, everyone, I want you all to have a spectacular day. Later.